So I'm looking at Alphabet and Meta on a downside play. And then Boeing on the upside. There goes Meta. It has room to drop. Wow, look at that Meta. Tesla's candles are wild. Tesla's ripping. Alphabet looks like it's going to bounce up. Glad I didn't put any trade here. So Tesla is really bullish. Netflix and Tesla looks great. Whoa, look at BA. Wow. Here we go, Tesla. I'm in. Here we go. It's pumping. NQ is pumping here. Nice. Looking to get out. Here we go. I'm about to get out. Just a little bit more push. I'm out. £106. That paid for today. Tesla is still holding up. It's holding up better than Netflix. If we get a green candle on NQ, we could get another play upwards. It's following NQ very closely. It's holding up really well. I'm in. Very strong candle on Tesla. $227 break and I'm out. As soon as this breaks, I'm out. It will break. Look at NQ. Should be this one right here. Needs to get closer though. Go on, break that NQ. Here we go. I'm out. Fantastic. Another £92. £106 plus £92. I'm good for today now. Tesla's kinda shooting up a bit, but I'm satisfied with my profits for today. I made roughly £200. Insane. Tesla paid the bills. So that's a pure example of scalping on breakouts. In this case, it was on an upside. I've marked out potential breakouts, which is on this blue line. That's pretty much where I entered on my first position. And then I got in again around 226. And then sold right by here around 227.